First we will check with that user interface, so what we are going to use each and everything. So here we are using the Flask framework for the user interface, and we are using a motif for the legal chatbot, and we can make a judgment prediction based on the case management. We can make prediction. So we already got registered, and we are going to make a login of the user. So first we are going to do a 1 2 3 4. So we have to do 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and registration also going to be works. So after registration only you are going to make a login. So we already made a one case detail. So based on that, so it's favor defendant. So based on the data case details what we have given, so based on that it's going to give us a, so which one is going to very favored, defendant or else petitioner. So it's going to show. So after that it's going to make a legal expense. We can check so whether it's going to give us a correct queries or not based on it. So device grounds we are going to check. So A is going to check whether what are the question we asked. So it will give a particular response based on the question what we asked. So we asked a question: what are the grounds for divorce under Hindu Marriage Act? Indian family law governs marriage, divorce, and related matters. So it's going to give us a the description what we need what, and we can ask. So okay, so I'm going to ask matrimonial law. So we will check it. So what we are going to get here, so whether we are going to get response or not. So either we got the uh, for that response, we got a response for that thing. So we can check for that. So what is FIR filing? So we can check. So FIR filing. Okay, so it's going to provide general information, and we can check it directly by clicking on that. We can set QS also here. So the quick questions you can get. So the Consumer Protection Act, each and everything is going to give us a description, and we can make it as a logout. And if you go for admin, so in admin we can check the total how many cases is applied by check prediction by each and every user. Okay, so it's going to display. Sorry. Okay, so recent cases we didn't have any cases, so because we didn't did anything. So and legal assistance we have. So admin is a formal user. We can remove that admin user also. So this is the overall project outcome.